Hi guys, so I hope my voice is clear again, and I'm back with the same name, same people. I am also same person. Chalo, let's start. So what we discussed in the last lecture? Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, okay. Now you can tell me what we discussed in the last lecture. LSI LRT. Okay. So we have discussed about a very important concept in the last lecture, and first thing is that we have started with the Ubuntu installation and we have completed the Ubuntu installation, right? The Ubuntu installation is completed. I told you, you might have seen my messages or to your WhatsApp group. Those people who are looking for, like those people who are facing some challenges while doing the Ubuntu installation, and if you are coming from Pune location, you can visit our office by Sunday 12 p.m. मतलब दोपहर के 12 बजे. So Sunday 12 p.m. you people can visit our office. For that we have already shared the Google form to your WhatsApp group. So please fill up your details, those people who are interested. Again, I'm telling you, like, based on your input, if you are getting the number of people, then only, like, it will be there. So make sure that if you are coming, then only fill up the details. So accordingly we will plan our day and all. Okay, so we already got so many people request, like these people are joining. So if you are from Pune location, then visit our office. We will show you how to install the Ubuntu live again. Okay, so we have our setup is available in the Bhumkar Chowk, Wakad, Pune. So you guys can fill up the details over there, and we are going to show you practically live again how to install the Ubuntu. But this will be live. Okay, this will be live things. So those people who are facing the challenges while installing Ubuntu, and I'll also discuss about the career oriented guidance. I'll discuss all these things on that day. So if you are interested and you think that you want to fix that issue, we will do that. Okay, so we have already shared the Google form. To your WhatsApp group. So some of the call, like, I see we got the college details. These people are sending their people, so we will fix that. Okay, we will be ready with our support team because I cannot do it alone. So we have a dedicated support team is there. This support team, I'll be there, and my other team members will be there who are going to help you with the Ubuntu installation. We'll discuss about the career opportunity in IT industry, and all these things we will discuss about that. Okay, now let me share the screen. Okay, so I have shared my screen. We need to start the Ubuntu. So in my laptop the Ubuntu is already up and running, and I'm going to run the command. I'm going to enter my password. So I have entered my password as Oracle. If you get the pop-up like this, just ignore that. We don't need that, so you can just ignore like this. So whenever you are writing down any command, and if you think that I want to clear the screen, clear means I don't want to see all these things. If you want to clear the screen, you can simply run the clear command and done. Okay, if you want to clear the screen, you can simply run the clear command, and whatever you have written, it will go on the top. Everything will be clear. Now if I want to know that where I am right now, there is a simple command is there called pwd. Pwd will talk about present working directory. So I am inside there is a, if you want to read this path, how to read this path, there is a home folder is there. Under home folder there is a Learnomate folder is there. Under Learnomate folder there is a desktop folder is there. What we have? we have a home folder. Under home folder, Learnomate folder is there. Under Learnomate folder, desktop folder is there. And right now I am inside the desktop. Where I'm right now, I am inside the desktop. Now if I want to know what are all files are available or directories, when I say a directory, it's a folder. When I say a directory, it's a folder. If I want to know what are all files and directories are available, you need to simply run the command called ls-lrt. What is the command you need to run? You need to simply run the command called ls-lrt. What is the command you need to run? ls-lrt. If you run this command, it will tell you, if you run the command ls-lrt, it will tell you what are all files and directories are available. Now, if I want to create a directory, let's say I want to create a directory under a desktop. Where I'm right now, I'm inside a desktop. There is a command called mkdir and directory name. Let's say the directory name is raw, or let's say let's write the name like triple R, mkdir triple R. If I run this command, you can see here that triple R got created here. mkdir triple R. When I run this command, you can see here that the triple R folder got created. Whenever you want to create, wherever you want to create any new folder or directories, directory and folder, in Linux we called it as a directory. When you want to create a directory, there is a command called mkdir and directory name. Now let's assume a situation. You want to go inside this test directory. You can see here there is a test directory is there. So whenever I want to go inside the test directory, normally in Windows what we do, we double click and you can go inside that test directory. See here, I am inside the test directory. Whenever you want to go inside the directory, normally you do double click, but in real-time production environment, when you are working in IT on Linux operating system, you cannot run your double click, right? On that case, what you can do, you can say cd means change directory. Where I want to go, I want to go inside the test, so you need to mention the directory name, cd test. If I press enter, you can see here that now I am inside the test folder. You can verify from here. You can verify by running the pwd command also. So you can see here that right now I am inside the test folder. Whenever you want to go inside the folder, you can simply run the command called cd cdo se chalna hai, right? cd means go inside the folder. cd means change directory. cd means change directory. You got my point? Now if I use ls-lrt command, it will show me the files from which directory. It will show me the files from current directory. And what is the current directory? It's a test. If I run this command, I cannot see any files over here because test folder I just created. There are no files available under test. And if I use mkdir command now, mkdir test1 or test2, if I use mkdir test2, this test2 folder will be created under which folder? Test folder. And press enter. If I do ls-lrt, now I can see the test2 folder got created under test. Can I go inside the test2? Yes. How? cd test2. Then I can see here that I am inside the test2. Then I can see here that I am inside the test2. Then I can see here that I am inside the test2. Let me repeat it one more time. See, I am someone is explaining that my explanation is very good, sir. Your explanation is very good, sir. But you guys are not sharing this information to the other. You alone are learning everything. You should share this information with the other people also. Maybe you have a person, maybe you have a friend who is not financially good. that person, he will spend 40-50,000 outside, but he will not listen to me free of cost. यही है, यही तो पैसों का गेम है. Okay, you need to share this information with your friends, colleague, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever you have. Okay, you need to share with everyone, because I want to make everyone into the IT industry. Okay, so you need to share this with everyone. Now let me repeat it one more time. Let's say I am inside the desktop. Where am I available? Let's say I am inside the desktop. Let's say I am inside the desktop. Now if I run mkdir command, and the folder name as test, where this test folder will be created? This folder will be created under desktop only. Now here if I use ls-lrt command, I'll be able to see test folder. If I want to go inside this folder, you cannot use double click. वो double click नहीं चलेगा. If you want to go inside this folder, you need to use command like cd and test. Cd is the command change directory. Change directory. My handwriting is not good, but you need to understand me. Okay, my handwriting is not that good. You need to use a command like change directory. Change means go inside that directory. Then if I use pwd command, you will find that you are inside the test directory. So do one thing, guys. Do one thing now. Create the folder structure like this. Under desktop, create test folder. Then go inside that folder and then create test2 folder. Go inside test2 folder. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say, everyone? Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? समझ में आ रहा है? Done. Let's do that. Let me know once it is done. Create, first of all, create test folder. Under desktop, create test folder. How to create test folder? mkdir test. You need to use mkdir test. Okay, mkdir test. Someone is saying go slow sir. इससे स्लो अगर चलूंगा ना तो मेरा भी लास्ट दिन आ जाएगा, लेकिन ये लिनक्स का कमांड खत्म नहीं होगा. Let's do that. Let me know once it is done. See, first of all, go inside. If you will be already there inside a desktop. Okay, you will be already there inside a desktop. Under desktop, create test folder. How to create test folder? mkdir test. Then go inside the test folder. How are you going to do that? By using cd test, and then create test2 folder. Rohini is saying done, sir. Amit is saying done. Then who is that? Domla Naveen is saying done. Ashish is saying done. Girish is saying done. Tanvi is saying done. Linova is asking for recording. Recording नहीं मिलती रे भाई, फुकट में नहीं मिलेगा कुछ भी, इतना ही मिलेगा. Vidya is saying done. 100 is saying done. Gaurav is saying check WhatsApp. वही काम है क्या? Bhargav is saying done. Raju K is saying done. Bhagwan is saying done. Let's do that. Done. Please do that. Please do not send me any request for recording. Okay, it's done, everyone. Fine. Now let's do that. Fine. Then if I want to know where I'm right now, there is a command called pwd. Some people are okay. Now where I'm right now, I am inside the test2 folder. I am inside the test2. Let's take an example. Okay, in Windows, where I am right now, can anyone tell me? I am inside the primary folder, correct? Now I am inside the June primary folder, correct? Now if I want to go back one step back, I want to go one step back, I will just click on the primary, I'll go back. I'll click on the June DGVM, I'll go back. I'll click on the training, I'll go back. When I want to go one step back in Linux, when you want to go one step back in Linux, there is a command called cd dot dot and press enter. Cd space dot dot. Where I'm right now, I am inside the test. If I want to go back, cd dot dot, I am inside the desktop. This is the way you can go to the desktop. Cd dot dot will refer to the going one step back. Are you able to understand? One step back, how to go one step back? Cd dot dot. How to go one step back? Cd dot dot. Cd dot dot. Cd dot dot. Go one step back and go till desktop. Go till desktop. Till the desktop you need to go back. Till the desktop you need to go back. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Okay, so let's start from the Roald is saying done, Arishaka is saying done, Girish is saying done, Ganesh is saying done, Amit is saying done, Shruti is saying done, Mohammed is saying done, Komal is saying done, Preeti is saying done. एक आदमी रखना पड़ेगा डन बोलने के लिए. Ashish is saying done, Sirisha is saying done, 100 is saying done, Vinayak is saying done, Sahil is saying done, Raj Mani is saying done, Stark, we have Stark also. Stark is saying done, Srushab is saying done. My name is Mohammed is saying done, 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 done. Chaudhary is saying done, done, sir, done. Vaishnav is saying done. Hassan is saying done. Fine. Raji is saying done. Mumurthy is saying completed, sir. Ramla is saying what next? Okay, fine. Chalo, बढ़िया है. Fine. Now we are inside the desktop location, correct? Now I am inside the desktop location. Now I'll give you one assignment. Okay. Assume that now you people are able to create. Now you should know how to create a folder, right? Let's assume that you are inside the desktop. Now assume that you are inside the desktop. Inside the desktop, you need to create a folder with the name data. Under data, you need to create a folder called app. Under app, you need to create a folder called Oracle. You are inside a desktop now. You need to create a folder called data. Under data, you need to create app. Under app, you need to create a folder called Oracle. And after that, once you are going inside the Oracle folder, if you run pwd command, your path should be desktop, under desktop data, under desktop app, and then Oracle. This should be your pwd. You need to go inside this folder Oracle. Are you able to understand? Let me repeat the question from the starting. Let's say you are inside a desktop. In desktop, you need to create data folder. Under data folder, you need to create app folder. Under app, you need to create Oracle folder. Then go inside this folder. You need to go inside this folder and run this command pwd. This should be the output. This should be the output. You got my point? And let's do that. How to start from desktop? If you open a terminal, it will start from the desktop only. If you open a terminal, new terminal, it will start from the desktop. Prerna is saying done, Yash is saying done, Niskal is saying I'm starting from. can we create a folder at a time? Okay, we'll see that. Chaudhary is saying done. Komal is saying done. Ganesh is saying done. Sakshi is saying done. Done by MTR. Shivam is saying done. Those people who are coming to our office, the location of the office, the Google form, everything is available in the chat option. So you can fill up the Google form. Fill up the Google form if you are really coming to office. Otherwise, don't fill up. Okay. We don't want any uh, false commitment. Okay. My commitment is always a commitment. Ravel did saying done. Omkar is saying done. PWD. Oh man. Done, everyone? Good? ऐसा लग रहा है ना? You guys are doing something great in your life. Huh? You might be thinking that, wow, what I'm doing. I'm feeling like I'm a Spider-Man doing all the codings, right? Again, I'm telling you that the commands what you are running, you would have taken too much of time to understand all these commands. But maybe you have done something good in your life. कुछ पाप नहीं किया होगा, पुण्य किया होगा, उसकी वजह से आप लोगों को जल्दी से सीखने को मिल रहा है. You guys are happy ना? If you are happy, I am happy. If I am happy, you are happy. Okay. When I am feeling happy, I'll come next day also here to make you understand about the technology. Okay. Yes, sir. Happy. Fine. Now, I'll show you how to do this practically. What I said, under desktop, you need to create data. Under data, you need to create app. Under app, you need to create Oracle. Now, if I am coming here, where I'm right now, I am inside the desktop. I can clear the screen also. Clear. Okay. Now, where I am right now, I am inside the desktop. So I need to create a folder called mkdir data. I got error message saying that data is already exist. If the data folder is already exist, I don't need to create a data folder again. I can directly go inside the data folder, cd data. So we already have a data folder. Under data, we need to create app. So I'm creating app folder. And then I need to create Oracle folder under app. So if I use mkdir Oracle, where this Oracle folder will be created? This folder will be created under data only. But do I want to? I don't want to create a Oracle folder under data. I don't want to create a Oracle folder under data. Where I want to create it under app. So I'll say mkd, not mkdir. I'll go inside the app folder. I'll go inside the app folder and then I'll say mkdir Oracle. Then I'll say mkdir Oracle. Now, if I want to verify whether the Oracle folder has been created or not, I can simply use ls-lrt. So I can see here that the Oracle folder got created. Can I go inside the Oracle? Yes, cd Oracle. Now if I use pwd command, I can see here that I was inside the desktop. Under desktop, we created data, then app, and then Oracle. This is the way we can create. Now if I want to go inside the desktop, how can I go? I can go one step back, cd dot dot cd dot dot cd dot dot, and now I am inside the desktop, cd dot dot cd dot dot cd dot dot, and now I am inside the desktop. Can you go, everyone? Go to the desktop location now. Go to the desktop location. Let's go to the desktop location. Let's come back to the desktop location. Let's come back to the desktop location. Let's come back to the desktop location. Those people who are interested to join this training by using the Zoom link, please capture this Zoom link. This Zoom link will be available daily. This Zoom link will be available daily by 9 p.m. IST. We are going to conduct free SQL and Linux training every day 9 p.m. IST. Free SQL and Linux training. You can share this Zoom meeting link with everyone. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Please send me the message. Yes, it's done. Okay, all are inside the fine. Fine. Done. Then, then the next part. Then the next part. I'll give you one more assignment. What you need to do, what you need to do, what you need to do. Let's say you are inside the desktop. Let's say you are inside the desktop. Under desktop, you need to create a folder like U01. Under U01, you need to create app. Under app, you need to create Oracle, then product, then 19C, then DB home. This is the folder you need to create. And then go inside this DB home folder. Go inside this DB home folder and fire pwd command. When you run pwd command, this should be the output. The output should be DB home till DB home. Under desktop, you need to create user1. Under user1, you need to create app, Oracle, product, 19C, DB home. Are you able to do that? Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say, everyone? Are you able to understand what I am trying to say? Any question so far? No? Okay, let's do that. Let's do that and let me know once it is done. Take a time, not a problem. Okay, I am here only. I will be there with you all for another 50-60 years. So I'm not going to go anywhere. I'll be here only. Okay. What you need to do, let me repeat it one more time. If let's say you are inside the desktop, under desktop you need to create a user1 folder, user1. Under user1 app, under app Oracle, product, 19C, DB home. This is what you need to create. User1, it's a folder name. User1, it's a folder name. Okay, user1, it's a folder name. Please do that. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Harsh is saying done. Keshav is saying God bless you, sir. Kesh is saying done. Harsh is saying done. Prajwal is saying done. Hassan is saying done. Done. Done, sir. Pranal is saying done. Rajna is saying done. Anuradha is saying done. When I say, when you guys are say done, it means it should be done. Otherwise, just done करने से नहीं होगा. Okay, you need to do that. Sravanya is saying done. Swanti is saying done. Rekko Omkar is saying done. Nikhil is saying please take online sessions again for software installation. We have a software installation sessions on this Sunday 12 p.m. from my office. Om is saying done. Grish is saying done. Darsh is saying done. कितने बार डन करोगे बाबा? Disha is saying done. Ravel is saying done. Sheikh Imran is saying, is giving some screenshot. It's correct. Same has been done. 100 is saying done. Sahil Patel is saying done. Anushka is saying done sir. Linux बहुत easy लग रहा है भाई भी. Kirti is saying not done sir. Take a time, not a problem. I'm here only. Attendance form please. हाँ वही चाहिए तुमको. Sitish is saying done. Right. Ganesh Uppu is saying done. Permission denied. Om is saying fantastic. Good night. यश को बड़ी नींद आ रही है बाबा. चलो ठीक है. Now you will be having a question like, if I want to create these many folders, some people what they have done, they have created mkdir cd user1, mkdir cdr, mkdir oracle, mkdir product, mkdir 19c, mkdir dbhome. Correct? Now when I want to create so many folders, one inside another, okay, there should be some shortcut, right? So I don't want to write down mkdir command 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times. I want to create all this folder within a single shot. So there is a simple command is there. What you can use, mkdir space -p and then complete path. -p is going to create user1 folder. If it is exist, it will not create. Under user1 it will create app folder, under app it will create Oracle folder, then product 19c and dbhome. Let me show you practically. Whenever you want to create a folder one inside another, means under user1 app, under app Oracle, under Oracle product, when you want to create multiple folder one inside another, एक दूसरे के अंदर, within a single shot, that time you can use a simple command like mkdir -p. Let me show you. Like where I'm right now, I'm inside the desktop. When I want to create a folder one inside another, there is a simple command like mkdir -p user1 app Oracle product 19c dbhome. When I run this command, the user1 folder got created. Let me show you practically. If I go here, you can see user1. Under user1 you can see, just double click app Oracle product 19c dbhome. All the folder got created one inside another automatically if you use mkdir -p command. Then there will be a question in your mind that why didn't you tell me all these things initially? Why you asked me to create a folder? Because if I'm telling you initially, how you'll do the practice? A practice makes man perfect. A practice makes man perfect. And if you want to do a practice, you should know how to use mkdir command. But if you want to create a folder one inside another, you can simply use a command called mkdir -p. Are you able to understand, everyone? -p is for parent. Are you able to understand, everyone? 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 Yes. Fine. Okay. Now. So now if I want to go inside this dbhome, if I want to go inside this dbhome folder, can I run cd dbhome from here? Is it possible? If I try to run this command, I'll get an error message that No such file or directory, because under a desktop which folder is available? U01. So you need to say U01, then ls-lrt will show you what all files are there. Under U01 you have app, under app you have Oracle, under Oracle you have product, under product you have 19C, and under 19C you have DB home. You have DB home. So you can do cd command, you can do cd command to the folder which is available in that current location, which is available in that current location. Let me repeat it one more time. Whenever you want to create multiple folder one inside another, you can simply use a command like mkdir-p. This will create your user1 folder. Under user1 it will create app and then Oracle and product 19C. Now if I want to go inside a desktop, if I want to go inside the desktop, how many times you are going to do cd dot dot? That's also one issue. I'll discuss about that. You do one thing now. You do one thing. I'll give you one more part. I'll give you one more part. I want you to do that. Under desktop location, under desktop location, under desktop location, you need to create, under desktop location, you need to create a folder structure like, under desktop location, you need to create a folder structure like, let's say opt opt app base 19c db home. This is a folder structure you need to create. Are you able to understand? Under desktop you need to create a folder structure like opt app base 19c and db home, then go till db home. You need to go till db home. You need to go till db home. Are you able to understand? You need to go till db home. Let's do that. Let's do that. And also inform to your TNP officer that we guys are doing something good for you. Okay, so that next time this, they will share more people with us, and they will also understand the free SQL and Linux. Okay, let's create this folder structure and let me know once it is done. Okay, is it done everyone? Gaurav is saying done, that's correct. Arshika is saying done, Premika is saying done, Stark is saying done, Ubed is saying done, Naveen is saying what next, Kirti is having some issues, Sarita is saying yes, fine, Arvind saying done, Amruta is saying done, Anandra is saying done, done, 16 saying done, Yash Rani is saying done, sir. ओके, बहुत कुछ अरे बाप रे, कितने लोगों ने डन किया रे बाबा. गायत्री सिंह डन. माय नेम इज ऋषभ जैन डन. राजेश सिंह डन. गिरीश सिंह डन. विद्या सिंह डन. फाइन. So you got to know that how to create this structure also. Let me create it for you. OPT app base 19c DB home. So I'll go here. So I'll say, first of all, I want to go inside the desktop, right? So if I want to go inside the desktop complete path is, remember that I don't need to do cd dot dot multiple times. I don't need to do that. I'll give you one shortcut. What is the complete path of desktop from the starting? If you remember, what is the complete path of desktop? It is cd slash home slash learnomate slash desktop, cd slash home slash learnomate slash data. You need to give the path from the starting, and if you enter, see this D is in capital, remember that D is in capital, you can directly jump to the desktop. When you use cd and the complete path, you can jump from one location to any other location. I'll tell you one example in Windows. See, let's take in Windows. I know this path. Take example, I have this path is there. See, if I have this path, if I copy this path and if I close this, I can go directly to that path, right? I can directly go. How? I'll just enter the path here on the top, Control V and press enter. I'll directly go into that path. See, I'll directly go to the Ubuntu August. Same way, if I want to go inside some path, if I want to go inside a desktop, the desktop path is started from home, Learnomate, desktop. I'll directly jump to the desktop. I'll directly jump to the desktop. Can you run this command and try to do? Remember the path of desktop. The path of desktop is home, Learnomate, desktop. Remember the path of desktop. Let's do that and let me know once it is done. Let's do that and let me know once it is done. Let's go to the desktop like this by giving complete path and let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done, guys. Let me know once it is done. Okay, so see after cd there is a correct. Girish is saying done, Sahil is saying done, Aruru is saying done, Gayatri is saying done, Anushka is saying done, Ganesh is saying done, Prathamesh is saying done, Rushabh is saying done, Sheikh is saying done, Arun is saying done, Arshika is saying done. Karo padafat. Prakash is saying done. Krishna is saying done. What is this? It's a done. Okay. Instagram बहुत use करते हो क्या तुम लोग? Vijay is saying done. Gayatri is saying done, sir. Tanvi is saying done. Vidya is saying done. Ronald is saying done. Pave is saying done. हिंदी बू सर, बू क्या होता है? चौधरी सिंह हो गया. अनुराधा is saying done. Fine. System.out.println done. It's a Java language. Fine. Okay. Okay, I also need to do loker done because my kids are calling me. Can you see the voice coming from the background? He's calling me. Okay, now the next thing. Now the next thing, you can see I'm inside the desktop now. Now you can see I am inside the desktop now. I need to create this structure. So if I want to create this structure, I'll simply use the command like opt app base 19c db home. So I'll go here, mkdir opt app base 19c db home. Did I already created this? PT Did I already created this structure? No such file or directory. Oh, I need to use mkdir-p because I am going to create, right? I also need to join some of the Linux classes. Okay, so I use this command and this folder got created. Now if I want to go inside the DB home folder, if I want to go inside the DB home folder, can I go inside the DB home folder directly? Yes. How? CD, and just need to provide the complete path. I need to copy. Why I'm giving this path only? Because this OPT folder is available here only. So I can give it from OPT. This OPT folder is available in the current location. So I can say like this. I can directly go to the DB home. Are you able to understand, everyone? This OPT folder is available in the desktop only, so I can give the path from OPT app base 19c and DB home, and I can directly go to the DB home location. So whenever you want to jump from one location to another location, just give the path and you can directly go there. How you copy paste? If I want to copy this path, I will just select it, right click, copy it, right click and paste it. I can copy like this also. You guys are watching me with eagle eye. If I'm doing anything, you guys are listening also carefully. You guys are watching also carefully. That's good. Are you able to understand, everyone? Are you able to understand? If I want to come back to the desktop, from here, how to come back? I need to give complete path of desktop /home /learnomate. Why I need to give complete path of desktop? Because the desktop folder is not available here. I cannot give cd desktop from here because desktop folder is not available in the current location. Can I see desktop folder here? No. So that is the reason I need to give complete path from the starting /home /learnomate /desktop. /home means from the root. I'm giving the path from the beginning. /home /learnomate /desktop. Press enter. Now I can come inside the desktop. Let's come back to the desktop, guys. Let's come back to the desktop. Let's come back to the desktop. Let's come back to the desktop. And did you guys created your LinkedIn profile? Did you guys created your LinkedIn profile? I have shared you last time. I have asked you last time to create your LinkedIn profile. Please make sure you all have created your LinkedIn profile. You might have a Instagram profile, right? Now it is a time to, now it's a time for reels, correct na? Reels, Insta reels. So let's do one thing. First of all, send me the request. This is, I'm going to send you the request. Okay, I'm going to send you the link. Click here and send me the request. You can also follow us on Insta. Yes, INSTA gram instagram.com/learnomate. I guess this is. You can also follow us on Insta also. See here, I'm here. This is our office, guys. Okay, this is our office. These are our employees. Recently we visited one of the there is spice factory. There is one hotel is there in the Pune location, so there we visited. So this is the display which we have recently set up to our office. So those people who are coming to our office, they will be seeing the installation over here on this display. These are some of the candidates who are coming to our office and like visiting me. These are some of the updates coming from here. So you guys can follow us on the, let me show you here. So this is our Insta page. I have given you Insta page also in the chat option, so you guys can send us the request. Okay, so we always take the suggestions from the Insta, LinkedIn. Whenever we see the messages, we do and see the things from here, so you guys can follow us on the Insta. Okay, thank you, thank you so much. So you can see in the chat options we have given you the link of YouTube, Instagram and LinkedIn, so you can follow us. These are our social media pages are there, which are going to be really helpful for you. I'm going to accept the request of each and everyone now only in front of you. Let's do that. Okay, so I'll just accept it from everyone. Okay, nice, nice. I'll accept it from everyone. Okay, so we are sending a lot of job related to the freshers and other jobs also. So I'll just accept from here if I have anything. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, so if let me accept it, everyone. Okay, please send me the request so that I'll just accept it now only. So this is my profile where we discuss about the opportunities and other things. Okay, we'll do that. Fine. Shiva is gradually saying then good. You people are able to understand, right? Whatever we have discussed till now. Okay, great. Okay. There are many commands we need to learn in the future classes also. We'll discuss that one by one. Okay. We are not in hurry. Okay. So we'll make that. Okay. Thank you so much. Where is that option from Insta? I need to see. Okay, I'll just accept it from my here. We'll accept it from here also from the Insta. Okay, from Insta, no need to accept. Only this option is available on LinkedIn. Fine. I'll check all the messages later, guys. Okay. Thank you, Ankit. See, like you people are already aware about the LinkedIn and all. Like in my time, we were very new to these connections and all. Like we don't know like to whom we should reach. We don't know like where we can see the job vacancies. We were not aware about that. So in LinkedIn, let's take an example. I'll give you one hint also. Let's take an example. If you want to search a job, anything. Let's take an example. You want to search a job related to the Oracle DBA. You can just go to the here, search it with the Oracle DBA, and let's say click on the post, or you can search like Oracle DBA jobs. Click here. Click on the post sections. Okay, click on the post sections, and here you can see here you can see the people who are looking for Oracle DB opportunities. Now you can see this is the company which is saying that there is a fresher position is available in this particular location. It is a work from home office. So what you can do, you can just send a request to this person or send a message to this person saying that I am looking for a job related to the Oracle DBA. This is the way you can get, this is the way we can, this is the way you can get a job as a fresher also. Now you can see this Megan, she's looking for below skill set. If you scroll it down, she is looking for Oracle DBA trainer also. Like even I can enroll here. She's looking for Java trainer. If you just scroll it down, there are many people, they are saying that, like she's saying that we need Oracle DBA, which is a remote means you need to work from home only, you don't need to go to the office. There is a Oracle DBA position is there for Chennai location. So likewise, there are many technologies. Not only just, let's say you want to start your career into the any, like let's say Java developer, or maybe you want to start your career into the data engineer, so you can search like this. I'll give you a lot of hints like this in future classes also. Okay, so just follow me and follow us on the, because many times we are coming to the YouTube also. Now if you see our YouTube channel, like let's, like this is our class, and I'll show you one example. So that day, this is the recent lectures I have taken on, like if you see here, this is a recent lecture I have taken, like on the Oracle database technology. So here I explained about the architecture. Maybe at this point it will not be much benefit for you, or maybe you can just start learning yourself. Again, it's completely free of cost. So I have explained the things over here. Okay, so if you want to see, this is the classroom training. So this is like a live, like you will get everything live when like you are joining this. Yeah, you can watch this video if you get a time, you can watch this video also. I'll just send it to you. I have shared this in the chat option, so you can watch this video, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so we already have a lot of followers on YouTube channel. If you see my YouTube channel, like we are having around 20,000 followers are there. It's a huge con. You consider that it's a एक पूरा गांव हमारे पीछे पड़ा हुआ है सीखने के लिए, or maybe multiple cows. So that's the way, like we are trying to help to the people. Okay, so what about here? Okay, so I see many people are sending the request. Let me accept that. You can share this information to your college, your TNP officer and other people. Okay, we can conduct the free of cost sessions also to your college, if it is from uh, uh, like if it is flexible and based on our time, we can do that. Okay, so we can come, we can do the sessions based on the multiple technologies. Okay, we have multiple technologies out there, again free of cost I'm saying. So we are open for that, not a problem. So just help us to gain more popularity and share that, like we are doing something good for the society. That's the expectation from my side. There will be question, there will be why we are doing that. We want to spread, we want to make sure that, we want to tell everyone that we are a Learnomate technology, we are very good in terms of IT industry technology providing services. So we want to spread our name, and that too free of cost. So that is the reason I need your support, guys. Okay, and from my side, not only just SQL and Linux, whatever knowledge I'm having, I'll take it free of cost. We'll do that. Okay, we'll do that free of cost, not a problem. Okay, so we'll discuss about the we are not only just discussing about the SQL and Linux, we are going to discuss about the projects also, that you can explain, in the interview. When you are going for an interview, you can discuss about that projects, uh, and that will be, create an impression for you. When you are going for an interview, it will be definitely going to create an impression. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, we'll do that, not a problem. Okay, so that's how the things are there. Please send me the request on LinkedIn, Insta, and subscribe to our YouTube channel also. I'll accept all the connection request, guys, from everyone. Okay, I'll do that. And again I'm saying, follow me for another 1 month, follow me for another 1 month, and you will see a lot of knowledge in yourself. Again I'm telling, my funda is very clear. Make it simple, crystal clear. हम लोगों को इतनी बड़ी किताब नहीं पढ़ने का है, इतने से पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे. You got my point? What I'm trying to say? You got my point? We'll do that. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that. Okay, so let's connect tomorrow. Okay, let's connect tomorrow, and we will continue the next part. Okay, we'll continue the next part. Please don't forget to follow us on the LinkedIn, Instagram, and to our YouTube channel. You will see a lot of free content there. Thanks guys for, please fill up this attendance link also. Okay, we have shared the attendance links. Please fill up that so that we can track you all. Okay, thank you so much for this session, sir. Thank you, not a problem. Okay, in tomorrow's session also we are going to talk about few more important things related to the Linux. Okay, please share this information to the people who are needy. And today's session is available on the YouTube channel. I have shared this session on YouTube channel. If you go to our YouTube channel, today's session is available on YouTube channel also. If you go here, I'll share you the link. Just give me a minute. If you go here, this is currently live. Okay, oh, maybe I can see. Thank you. So this is the today's link. Okay, okay. Ravi is saying that today I will share with 581. Thank you so much for helping us, as well as helping to the people who are actually looking for it. Okay, I'm telling you, this type of knowledge you will not get even if you are spending a lot of money also. Okay, and we used to take a lot of money also from others, but at this point my intention is very much clear that those people who are coming from a financial weak background, जो गरीब बच्चे ना, उन लोगों को ये नॉलेज जाने को होना. Okay, so that is the reason we are doing that. And I would like to see the people live. देखो सारे लोगों को लाइव में देखने का है. Okay, see we have like I don't know whether you will trust me or not, we spend a lot of money from our pocket to purchase the Zoom license also. If you remember that, the Zoom license um, is not free of cost. Again, we have purchased this Zoom license for 2000 people, so where we spend a lot of money. You ask any of your uh, TNP officer or any other college or whoever it is, we have not charged a single rupees also. We are doing free of cost. So whatever we are spending it from our pocket. Okay. What we just need one thing. You share this information with your friends, colleague, and whoever a needy person is there. Okay, so that's the main intention. Okay, that's the main intention. So we'll discuss about the SQL, Linux, and at the end of this, maybe after few days, we'll see how we can help you out with the other technologies also. We'll do that. Okay, so those people who are facing some challenges for the installation of Ubuntu, they can visit our office in Pune, Wakad location, which is in Bhumkar Chowk. We have already shared the information to the WhatsApp group, to the Telegram group. We have also shared this information to the other location also. Okay, what we need, okay, so what we need you, we need you to share this information with others also. So those people who are interested to join this free installation, you can come to our office. We will do it on your personal laptop. I'll make sure that my other support team is available for you. Okay, so thank you so much for giving your valuable time to us, and let's see. Okay, let's connect guys. Okay, in the next lecture, please share this information with your friends I already shared you the YouTube link and others. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Let's connect tomorrow and we'll see the next part of this Linux operating system. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Good night, guys.